Good morning. This is Earl from Earl's RV Tips. How do I know? It says so right here. Anyway, I hope you're having a good morning. I got my coffee here, and it's about 78 degrees here in the Phoenix area. It's supposed to get to 112. This morning, I have this Haloview camera. I believe it's called the B7 model. Tango system, yes, B7. And it's a 1080p wireless monitor for my travel trailer. I used to have another brand. I guess I could say it was Furrion. It came with the trailer. But I never really cared for the Furrion cameras. It was always a problem with the display, it just being so dark that when you're driving down the road and you have your monitor sitting up on your dash and it's getting full sunlight, and then I'm wearing prescription sunglasses, and it's almost impossible to see anything on it. But with this Haloview, and I paid for this myself, so I didn't get any money or any free gifts from Haloview to do this. But this is definitely one of the best cameras I've ever owned, and I did a lot of comparison out there, and this is the biggest bang for your buck. I also bought the side cameras that go on the side of my trailer, and I love how that works because it splits the screen 50% at the top, then 25% on each side at the bottom for the side cameras, and you can adjust that view any way you want. Anyway, what I'm doing today is I bought this kit because I have a problem with it. Just having so much stuff in my dash. It just blocks my view when I'm going down the road. I got a GPS up there. I got the tire monitor system, and this is pretty good size. It's a 7-inch monitor. And one thing nice about this monitor, you can install it upside down if you want. You can have the antenna straight down, or you can turn them to the side like that. But what we're going to do today is I bought this other mount, and it comes in a little box like this. And let's see, we're going to open it up. It's got a couple straps. And by the way, this mounting is for the mirror. And excuse me, since you really can't see anything in your rear view mirror because you're only looking at the nose of your trailer, the mirror's pretty much useless. So what this does, it hangs, it lets you attach your monitor to your rear view mirror, and it has this adapter that screws on the back. Let's see. Oh yeah. And here's the little tiny screws. I don't know if you can see that, but little tiny screws. So let's get to it. Let's mount this on the back here. And let me see if I can adjust the camera. I may not be able to adjust the camera down that low, but anyway, here's the monitor, and there's 4 screw holes here, and here's the plate that has looks like about 8 holes in there, so it looks like you can adjust it up and down any way you want. So anyway, let's go to it here. Get out my little screwdriver. Let's get the screws out here. I better pour them in a box here, because then I lay them down, I won't be able to see them. Let's see, they look like a small Phillip. So I'll try this. Just bear with me here. Oh, great. So yeah, there's 4 holes on the back of the monitor, but you got to remove these 4 screws and remove this mounting bracket. This mounting bracket was actually for this type of a mount. It's got the sticky 3M contact sticky material on the back. Anyway, this is for, actually I used to mount this in my console. This part of it would just slide underneath my console and just sit there, and it worked perfectly. But the antennas come up and they're, go across the radio buttons and so on. So that's why I decided I just want to get it off of there. I didn't want it on the dash. So at least I'll be able to put it up higher. So let's get these screws out of here real quick here. And there's one. I hope everybody's having a safe summer, going out hitting all the new RV parks, or maybe one of your favorite ones that you like visiting every year or two. I'll probably lose those screws. They're so small. I can't tell you how many screws I've lost that were probably just put them someplace where I couldn't see them. Yeah, there's one more. So anyway, oh, there's two screws on the very bottom here too. Got to take those out. Well, or maybe I don't. Maybe I could just leave those in there. Let's see. Yeah, there's no reason, I guess, to, well, we'll see. I don't like the way the screws are going in. They may not be the same size screws. Let me check. I'll try to put a screw in without the bracket. No, those screws seem like I better take the other two out of the bottom here and remove this mounting bracket. Every time I start something, it always seems like, yeah, they say it takes about 10 minutes. Triple that, and that's about how long it takes me. Whoops, there goes one of those screws. And there's the other screw out. So there's 6 screws I had to remove this little bracket that goes with the other mounting. Okay, let's try to put this back on. Maybe I should use the same screws that came with the bracket. Let me try that. I don't know if they're long enough, but we'll give it a try here. Let me see. No, doesn't look like the original screws are long enough. So let's use the screws that came with the mount. Well, it looks like those are screwing in. And by the way, this mount for the mirror mount is also from Haloview, the same company that makes the cameras, the monitors. Well, this is taking a little bit longer than I thought. It's hard to see where the hose are once you put the plate on it. Well, I'm going to take the other screws back out. We'll get there. Okay, got one screw in there, 3 to go. Okay. Goes the there's the 3rd screw. Going for the 4th one. I don't know why they give you 6 screws. I only need 4. Okay, just tighten up the screws here. Okay. Let me try another screwdriver here. Hold on. I'm going to try this screwdriver. Maybe it'll work a little better. Okay, that worked much better. Anyway, I got this. Hold on while I turn the light back on. Sorry about that. Garage lights on a motion detector. But anyway, here's, as you can see, here's the 4 screws I had to put in. And then you got these little clips here on the back. And we're gonna go out and here's the Velcro strips, as you can see. So it's adjustable for whatever size mirror you have. I'm gonna go out and install this, and we'll be right back.